Oh my fucking God, you kidding me? Oh my God. Kick my grandma in the fucking ankle, punch my mama in the knee, sucker punch my stepdaddy in the chin, break my little brother nose. What the fuck? Oh my God. Oh my God. And diarrhea on my mama. What the shitty? Oh my Lord. I can't explain it. What the fuck? Oh, Pomerania.